Hey guys, what's up? This is a Spotify music download free tutorial, completely for free. So if you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. Step number 1 is you want to open up Spotify, go to a playlist, a song or a group of songs that you want to download. Now typically what you could do actually is just click this, you can just download, but I'm going to show you an even better way, because, well, you can download any songs here, or just anything in general on Spotify, because it only works for Spotify only, right? Yeah, so let's actually get right into it. So you want to type this on your browsing device. Just type in Spotify to MP3, and then we're going to be using this website actually in particular right here. It's called spalload.com, and then I'm going to click open in a new tab, and basically, choose a song you'll have to download, from Spotify to music or MP3. I like this one right here. This is quite a banger. So I'm gonna click these 3 little arrows right here to the right, and then basically what you want to do is go under where it says share, and then click this right here, copy song link. I'm going to minimize that, and then runs this. You're going to right click and click paste and click start, and wait for that to load. And you want to click over here, convert, and then once it's converted, click this magic button called download. And as you can see, it's currently downloading. Give it a second here, reminder it's kind of slow. Voila! Check out the playlist for more videos like this, and subscribe to the channel for more content.